Hi children, welcome back to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Children, today we will learn about E words. So in the last video we learn about E words. So E also makes the same sound E. Okay, so but in some words, so we have to use these words EA words. Okay, EA letters for that words. Okay, so let's begin. Eat, EAT, eat. Beat, BEAT, beat. Heat, HEAT, heat. Neat, NEAT, neat. Meat, MEAT, meat. Sit, SEAT, sit. Cheat, CHEAT, cheat. Treat, TREAT, treat. TR make tr sound, trat. C, SEA, C. T, TEA, T. P, PEA, peak, PEAK, peak. Big, BEAK, big. Wah, eek, weak. Speak, east, beast, list, read, bead, lead, bean, clean, jeans, means, deal, heal, meal, team, dream. So like that we have to use EA words in the beginning of the word, and sometimes we have to use these EA letters in the end of the word. Okay, so E and EA both are in the same sound, E sound. Okay, so children, along with this I have to show you how to write these simple words in cursive handwriting. Okay, let's begin. EAT, eat. BEAT, beat. HEAT, hit. NEAT, neat, NEAT. MEAT, meat. SEAT, sit. CHEAT, cheat. TREAT, treat. C, SEA, C. T, TEA, T. P, PEA, P. Peak, PEAK, peak. Beak, BEAK, beak. Weak, WEAK, weak. Speak, SPEAK, speak. East, EAST, east. Beast, BEAST, beast. Least, LEAST, least. Read, READ, read. Bead, BEAD, bead. Lead, LEAD, lead. Bean, BEAN, bean. Clean, CLEAN, clean. Jeans, JEANS, jeans. Means, MEANS means deal. DEAL deal. Heal. HEAL heal. Meal. MEAL meal. Team. TEAM team. Dream. DREAM dream. So children, so like this we have to read and write words. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Bye bye.